Bring it back. Come on, kick it to me. What foul? No hands. No hands. Okay, kick it. Good job. Boop. Boop. Look at that footwork. Okay. Kick it to Auntie Kelly. What? Whoa. Boop. Okay, you're the goalie. You can pick it up. Okay. Kick it to me. What? She's going to the... Oh, yay, goal! I lost her. Where'd she go? Where'd it go? Go get the ball. Goalie, picking up the ball, put it down. Oh, now it's bouncing. Okay, kick it to me, Olivia. Boom! Okay, get it through my legs. Put it through my legs. Come on. Come on. Put it through my legs. Do it. You did it. Okay, come on. Put it through my legs. Oh, go around my legs. Oh, you got to do it from the first. Okay. Go on. Yeah. Okay, that's enough of that.